I want to do this unboxing of the Finsix USB-C cable that just came in the mail. Different adapters. I've tried different plugs. I've even tried, some plugs that fit with those other charging cables and with, that also fit a USB Type-C, just adapters, and they would not fit. So what I did was, I looked into this and I was able to get one. So very excited about that. Oh, pretty easy. So a little bit different from what I've noticed is that, this cable does not have that orange dot there, or that, that little white plastic piece here. And that's just a light. It's like a orange light that turns on. In this case, it's a little dot. Don't know if it turns on, but we'll find out here in a second. And of course, you got the other end for the input of this. All right, you have a little bit of literature. Instructions, pretty easy. Connect connect the charger to the wall. Connect it to your laptop, and then you can use that to charge like a device. All right, so 2 meters, 6 feet roughly. I say roughly. Alright, here we go. So we got this end here. It's going to go ahead and go on back of this cable here. Perfect. Fits nice and snug. Oh, this thing got tangled onto a different cable there on the side. Alright. Let's go ahead and plug this in. So I plugged that into the wall. Oh, there we go. Look at that. So it does turn on the little orange light. It looks a lot sleeker actually there than the big one that's on. Hold on, let me see if I can. Pretty big one. And it's a difference. Now this is also a little bit bigger too, you can see. Now the one thing about this is that you can't change the size. You can't, remove this, unplug this, do anything and move it onto the other side. It is strictly like this and this alone. So you're just gonna have to keep that in mind. With the other one, you were able to switch whichever side you wanted to. But I'm just gonna go ahead and leave that there. Let's go ahead and plug this in. And there you have it. It is charging.